Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord Guitar Wish Wednesday. We love Wednesdays. It's the possibility for you to wish for a song, and this time we have the Assassin who wished for Claire Rosinkranz's song called Pretty Little Things. So this is special for you, the Assassin. I felt kind of threatened to do this. No, I'm just joking. And this is just a pleasure for me to bring up some songs for you guys that you specifically wish for. So this one comes for you and for all you Claire Rosinkranz fans. So let's start right away with this. We don't need any capo and we have 4 chords to handle here. So let's start with the C, okay? And that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have this C chord here, but with a B in the bass. And what we do there, we just take that grip, and that gives us 2nd on A, open D, open G, 1st B, and open E. All right. So that's the C B chord. Then we have the A minor. So open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have F. So we bar all strings here on the 1st fret, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And that's it for chords. So this one, you have a strumming pattern that will work for this song, but this is mainly, in my opinion, a picking pattern song. So that is what we will start with, the picking pattern. So I will go through how to handle the chords, the 4 different chords here, if you choose to pick them. And I'm going to tell you through the song here where you can use the picking and where you can use the strumming, or both. So let's go over first how you handle the C. It's very easy. You hold the chord as it is and you play the bass first. In this case, that's the A string, 3rd fret, like this. And you answer with the strings D, G, and B. So you answer with the 2nd D together with the open G and 1st B. So that's how you pick the C. That's one round. All right, then we go to the C B chord, and you have the same pattern there, just different notes. So you're gonna play like this. So again, you play the A string here, the 2nd fret, that's the bass. And you answer with the open D, open G, and 1st B. All right. Then same goes for A minor, just different notes. In this case now, open A string is the bass. And you answer with the 2nd D together with the 2nd G and 1st B. So you just hold the chords as they are, okay? And the final chord we need to know how to handle is the F. So you take that chord also there, how it is, and you're gonna play this. And that is 1st fret on the E string, that's the bass. And you answer with the 3rd fret D string together with 2nd fret G and 1st B. So yeah. That is the chords. Now we can start with the chords and the first verse here. This first verse you will play just the picking pattern, okay? So we have 1 chord progression that goes 2 rounds of C, 2 rounds of CB, and 4 rounds on F, okay? So it will sound like this. C, CB, CB, and F, 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 F. All right. So 2 C's, 2 CB, and 2 F. That is 1 chord progression. You will play that for 4 rounds, but on the 4th and final round, the final F there, instead of 4 times on this F, you play it for 6 times. Okay. So the last round, the 4th round, will be 2C, 2CB, and 6F, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, and that is the first verse. Now comes the chorus, and from now you can choose to play either the strumming or the picking. If you choose to play the strumming, then you will play this pattern here. I'm going to show you with an A minor, since that is the first chord for the chorus. So it sounds like this. Okay, that is one round. Very easy. Down, up, clap, up. Again. Down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. All right. So that is the strumming here. So you can choose to play either strumming, like I said, or the picking. I'm gonna go through the picking here with the chords. And remember, I'm gonna mention all these numbers here. 2, 3, 4, and so on. Not 3 perhaps, but 2 and 4 and 6 and so on. And I'm gonna go through this when it comes to the picking pattern. If you choose to play the strumming, you just play half amount of times. So if I say A minor 2, that means you're gonna play 1 round of the strumming if you choose to play that one. Okay, so the chorus starts with 2 A minors and then 2 CBs and 2 Cs and 2 Fs. And that is the chord progression for the chorus, okay? 2 A minor, 2 CB, 2 C, 2 F. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds, and except from the last 4th round, the last F there. Instead of 2, you play 6 times. So the final round from A minor will sound like this. F, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so that's the chorus. So like I said, if you choose to play the strumming, you will play only 1 strumming round for each chord, and on the last F there you play 3 rounds. Okay, so half amount of times. So 1 round with strumming will sound like this. All right, so that's it. And then we have the second verse here. You will play again here the C, the CB, and F. The same as you played in the first verse, and you will play that for 4 rounds. So this is exactly the same, but for this second verse you can choose to play either the strumming or the picking. And that's the only difference there from the first verse. Okay, and now comes the second chorus. And this one is played in the exact same way as the chorus we just looked at, except from the last F here. Okay, and on the first chorus we had 6 rounds for this F when it comes to the picking, and this one only 4. Okay, so 4 rounds on the last F. That means 2 strumming rounds. Otherwise, exactly the same. And after the second chorus comes a bridge part, and the lyrics, I choose this, and God is the only one who really knows it. Okay, that's the bridge part. And it's very, very easy. You're gonna play in the exact same way as you played the second chorus, but you will have to play the picking. It's just a picking part here for the song. So play in the same way as the chorus we just looked at, with 4 times with the final F there, and you will be fine with that bridge part. And then comes final chorus in the end here. You will play in the same way as you play the other choruses, and the final F there on the 4th round will be for 7 rounds. So 7 rounds of the final F. And for this one I would choose to play the picking pattern. It starts with picking, and I feel that it should end with the picking, and it goes kind of down in intensity there and ends like it started. So that pretty much covers this song from Claire Rosinkranz called Pretty Little Things. And I hope you are satisfied with that. the assassin who wished for this one, and all you guys who watched this tutorial. So see you soon, guys, and don't forget to watch this channel and subscribe if you haven't yet. Appreciate that a lot. So see you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.